Looking for the drain pump filter on LG wt1101 CW top loader washer.
Are you getting any error codes or messages from your LG washer? How old is it?
6 years I think.
What have you tried so far with your LG washer?
Reseeding wiring panels, checking for kinks in the drain hose.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello, my name is. You're having a good day. The LG top load washers do not have a drain pump filter. When you start your washer, you are probably hearing a low hum. The drain pump is located in the back. Good chance something is stuck inside the pump. You will need to remove all of the water inside the machine, and then you can take the hoses off the pump itself and look inside for any blockage or debris. The hoses have clamps and they are glued on, so it may be difficult to get them off. Make sure you clamp them back on good when reassembling. Is there anything else I can help you with? Let me know.
Can I send you a picture?
Sure.
The white thing is the pump, right?
I would take the black hose off and look inside and feel inside the pump for anything that can be blocking the impeller inside. Let me know if you find anything.
Should it turn easily?
The impeller should turn pretty freely, but you should feel some resistance as if it was magnetic, best way to describe it. If it's completely spinning free, then that means the pump has failed.
It seems to be turning fine, like a quarter turn at a time. I don't see anything clogging or blocking it.
That sounds good then. When you got the OA error, I'm assuming your tub was full of water.
We have been getting the error on and off for about a week. We washed some really dirty blankets and have been getting it since then, but typically it stops the load and we can restart it and it'll wash through. Today we got a P error and reseated the wires and cleaned up the back of the washer, and I thought that fixed it, but we just tried to do a speed wash, but when it gets to the spin cycle it appears to drain everything, but then it starts a slow spin and pops the OI code. The loads don't get spun out at all. It's a small load that's in there.
P is a pressure switch error, which makes sense. It uses the pressure switch to see how much water is in the machine. Above the pump and the back side of the machine there is a clear hose connected to the side of the tub called the pressure chamber. Make sure that hose is clear. You can take apart the control area to find the other end and blow through it. It sounds like the machine thinks there's water left inside, so it's throwing the OA error thinking it's not draining even though it is.
Okay, give me a second and I'll try that and get back to you. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Hopefully you find the issue.
The clear hose goes into the bottom of this thing. I can blow into the top of this thing without issue, and when I blow in the bottom of the clear hose the little blue thing and little ball lift up.
Can you send me a picture of the hose you are blowing through? Also, I usually don't find complete blockages inside the pressure hose, but blowing it out can help get any little bit of debris out.
Customer attachment April 30, 2021 8:36 and 14 seconds p.m. Customer attachment April 30, 2021 8:37 and 37 seconds p.m. The hose coming put of the drum goes into the bottom of the round thing.
That round thing is the pressure switch. Since you blew out that pressure hose, I'd hook everything back up and try it out. Any little bit of debris in that hose can cause an issue. If you continue to get the P error, I'd replace the pressure sensor. Hope the washer's working good. Please let me know if there are issues. Hope you enjoyed the help from me and JustAnswer.
We just ordered a new pressure sensor. Got P error again when we tested it. Thanks again for the help.
Of course. Glad I could help. Hopefully everything goes well and your washer is up and running soon.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.